Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify the SIM tray is out. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time and gently release the mid frame from the body. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working charging port board from the body. First, disconnect both main flex plugs and the two antenna heads from the board. And then undo the screw to free the board from the frame. Next, place the new charging port board and secure it by adding the screw. Next, secure both antenna heads and both main flex plugs to the charging port board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mid-frame and secure it with 15 screws. Make sure all the mid-frame clips are properly fastened before tightening the screws. And also insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the fingerprint button connector plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber band to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.